Nice weekend to you guys. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about affiliate marketing and specifically Deriv affiliate marketing, and we are going to look at how to get an affiliate link and use some of the media or marketing materials that can boost your sales. All right, so I'll first log into my Deriv affiliate account. And to do that, let me just head over to deriv.com/partners, and it will take me to the Deriv affiliate dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and you can scroll through and familiarize yourself with this dashboard. But once you have reached here, click on the three bars at the top right corner, and you will see these options. You have to click on affiliates and IBs, and it will give you an option of signing in, or just click on this option of join now. All right, and I'll be looking for the option of signing in. Okay, otherwise, if you don't have an account, that means you want to register for an account. So it is going to give me the form for signing up, but I already have an account, so I'll go for that option of logging in, and the option is right here. Okay, for you, if you do not have an account, you will have to fill out this form. Okay, and once you are done, you click on sign up. But as for me, I'm going to log in. So let me log in, and I will be back shortly. To log in, you have to enter your username and your password. So let me do that real quick and be back. So you will land on this page. Remember, the purpose of today's video is actually to get our affiliate link and start promoting it, and actually get some of the marketing materials. So to do this on mobile, you will again click on these three bars at the top right corner. So once you reach there, you're going to see your dashboard, your account, username, and the commissions you have earned this period. For example, this period you still have 0, and this is the home page, the home, the reports, the marketing. The menu is reflected on here on this left side. The finances, my account, and if I want to log out, I can log out from here. Okay, so let me go to marketing, because this is where we are going to get the affiliate link and the marketing materials, which is the main purpose of today's video. So I click on marketing. So you will be redirected to this page, and all you have to do is to go to media gallery. Media gallery on this arrow. Remember, we are using a mobile phone, and then a PC to be slightly a bit different. So once you click on this arrow, it will just face down like this. Scroll down and go to direct links here. Okay, so click on direct links and wait for this one to load. Okay, once it has loaded, you are going to see the magic. Okay, you can see we are on direct links. Scroll down. Now you can see displaying 1 to 101 of 101 links. So this is very important. You see this one landing page. That means if you copy that link or your affiliate link, that is where it is going to take your clients or redirect your clients. Once they click on that link, now as an affiliate, remember, you have to be either an introducing broker. For example, for those clients who are trading on Deriv MT5 platform or Deriv X. Okay, so you can as well be an affiliate who is referring clients to trade like the options or the products that can be traded on the Deriv platform itself, and that is what we call revenue share. I have made a video about the 3 Deriv partner programs. You can check it in my videos to get a better understanding. And another one is when you are a master affiliate, an affiliate who is referring other sub affiliates. Like in this case, I'm making this video. If you would wish to become a Deriv affiliate, then you will be, if you use my link, you will be my sub affiliate. I hope that is clear. Now, for example, here we have C Trader homepage. If you copy this landing page link, which could be your affiliate link, that means you'll be referring your clients to copy trading. Now, remember, here you are an affiliate. As an affiliate, you can refer your clients to Deriv copy trading as well. But let me consider Deriv.com English homepage that will direct my clients to Deriv homepage. Click on it. You will be redirected here. This landing page URL is your landing page or is your affiliate link. It is this one. That's your affiliate link. I repeat, it is this landing page URL is your affiliate link. So tap and hold. Select all, it will be selected, and click on copy. Okay, this is where you can go to this plus icon to the next tab to test if it is working. And if I hold, this option of pasting will come. Paste. Okay, you can see if I click enter, it will take me to the Deriv homepage. Alright, so you can see it has directed me here. So your clients will be able to open an account. Remember, to create a Deriv account, you first create a Freedom account. Thereafter, you can sign in and create a real account as well. If you already have, you can log in. Okay, so let's just get back and use another link. We are here. It is this one. Okay, let me click on this X and get back. Okay, you want to give this crypto ebook. Tap once and you will get this tracking URL. So select all once again and click on copy, and let's test it by going to another tab. Click on it. Okay, let's see if we shall see that crypto ebook. Okay, so you can see it is already here. The crypto ebook we are talking about is already here. Okay, it is already here. Okay, how to trade digital currencies with Deriv. That is an ebook. And now this is very good. Like, your clients, before they access this book, they have to enter their email, agree terms and conditions, and create demo. So which means before they access this ebook, they must create a demo account. Then Deriv will send the ebook to their email. So this is a high converting technical trick that Deriv has put before you to use. Let's go to a different affiliate link. Deriv Trader English. Let me just click on this one and I click OK. Select and copy. It is Trader, which is Deriv Trader, and I want to go to a new tab and I see how it looks like, or which page is gonna direct us to. Okay, alright, Deriv.com. You can see Deriv Trader, a user-friendly trading platform. You can see we are here, so your clients, your audience will be redirected here. Okay, I think that is also clear. Let's get back. So assuming you are a master affiliate, now how do you get your affiliate link? Again, let's look at if you want to be promoting your content in English. Let's take this one, click on it, and your affiliate link is here. Tap and hold, select all and copy, and again go to a new tab and paste it in here, and click paste, hit enter or search on your mobile phone, and let's see if it is going to direct us to where, or already we are here. So this is the Deriv partners, those who wants to become an affiliate. You can see how it is very easy to get your affiliate link and actually get some of the marketing materials like free ebooks. Okay, so you can see how good it is. You can go or redirect your clients directly to where you wish them to land. It could be the homepage, it could be on the crypto homepage, it could be the sub affiliates homepage, it could be in a different language. Everything Deriv is providing it for you. Okay, you can see if you scroll through, you can be going through all these. Okay, so in summary, that's how you are supposed to get your affiliate link. You can see revenue share, direct sign up, English. You can as well click on this one, get your affiliate link. Once again, select all, copy, and go to open a new tab to see if it is actually working. Wow, so if you want direct sign-ups, you can see you have to first enter your email, then agree to terms and conditions, create a demo account, and wow, your clients will easily, or you will register your clients immediately once you have, of course, explain to them why they need to register for a free account. So that's it. That's how you get your affiliate link. I hope this was helpful. If you are interested to become a Deriv affiliate, then I will leave the link in the description. And to those of you who have been able to spare your time to watch this video, congratulations for watching this far and supporting me. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. Until next time, peace and love.